Inilazia Ayafuni Ngay is unreleased hit by the Quape Twins, featuring Ayake and Mockery. This song has been gaining popularity on TikTok, with users sharing dance challenges and lip-sync videos set to its catchy beat. While the producer's name isn't officially confirmed in the available sources, it's possible that Minero98 was involved in the production, as TikTok trends often highlight emerging producers. The Quape Twins, Viggy and Virginia, are a South African Afropop duo who gained fame as contestants on Idol South Africa in 2019. After their time on the show, they signed with DJ Tira's Afrotainment label and released their debut album, The Gift of Love, in 2020. Their music blends traditional and contemporary sounds, resonating with a wide audience. Ayake is a South African Afropop artist known for tracks like Njayabonga Mama and Dolly featuring Okuli and Nelady Afalu. While the release date is not yet out, here is a short snippet of the song.